In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your sound output device on your Dell laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings, best match, come back with settings, go ahead and open that up. Select system on the left side, and then on the right side, go ahead and select sound. Where it says choose where to play sound, click the drop down and then you can select a different device or you can select speakers itself and then adjust the properties for that. But you should be able to see different output devices listed here, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.